عادل الترك، وهي اسم أخي عدنان الترك من حي الآبون. أنا أخي من 11 سنة آخذينه الجوية وما عليه شيء من قدام الباب، وهلا كلياتهم جثث محروقة وجثث مقطوع راسها، وهذا النظام هذا اللي حكمنا هذا ما لقيتها.
يا شباب اسمع الموسيقى اللي برا.
كل واحد ساعة والله لا يوفق على الشباب.
هاي على شو ذنبه على الديوتات؟ لك شو ذنبه يا ابن الحرام؟ لك شو ذنبه؟
تفضل لك شو ذنبه؟ واخويا 13 سنة مفقود، نحن يا جماعة الداخلية جينا بس
وصلنا 35 جثة كلهم صيدناها. جثث لسه شايفين مشوهة مقطعة مو معروف مين. حسبنا الله ونعم الوكيل.
راح يسموا الدكاتره 5 سوا.
فوت في 5 سوا؟
10 صديات على الدكاتره. العلامات الفارقه مثلا في وشم، في جرح، في اي علامه فارقه للشخص، هيدي بالنسبه للطب الشرعي العام. الطب الشرعي الاسنان بنعمل له دراسه للاسنان. في اخصائيين طب اسنان هون شرعي بيعملوا دراسه للاسنان، اذا في قلع سن مركب بدله، هيدي عن طريقهم بيتعرفوا الاهل كمان.
لا اله الا الله، لا اله الا الله، والشهيد حبيب الله، لا اله الا الله، والشهيد حبيب الله، لا اله الا الله، والشهيد حبيب الله. امشوا شباب وانتم ماشيين.
الله ينتقم منك يا رب، شر انتقام.
Syrians on Monday, freed of the Assad family dictatorship for the first time in 50 years, raced toward one of the most infamous symbols of the regime's rule, the prison complex in Sednaya. They searched for loved ones who disappeared inside years ago, some without a trace. Among them were Intsar al-Jabir, whose brother and cousin were imprisoned in Sednaya. She said she used to visit her brother here until 2014, when authorities said her brother had died. Asked why she was there today, she said she hoped to find her brother alive. She'd been there since yesterday. On Sunday, as news broke that President Bashar al-Assad had fled as rebel forces advanced and his own army collapsed, the prison was opened and detainees streamed to freedom. Rumors spread that thousands more inmates were still imprisoned in underground cells that could not be reached. But by Monday afternoon, there was no sign of more prisoners. Instead, many here poured through prison files, looking for some closure. Radwan Eid had a relative held here.
Assad's gangs and the prison's gangs are the ones who intentionally destroyed those documents. They set them on fire. They disabled the available devices and removed the cameras to prevent the discovery of their massacres and the locations of the prisoners still inside.
Rights groups reported the prison population here swelled amid Syria's civil war as Assad cracked down on anyone suspected of rebel loyalties.
The regime holds as many as 70 prisoners in Sednaya in cells that have a 5-person capacity.
The U.S. State Department in 2017 said Sednaya was the site of mass executions and said it had identified a new crematorium at Sednaya for the bodies of hanged prisoners.
Although the regime's many atrocities are well documented, we believe that the building of a crematorium is an effort to cover up the extent of mass murders taking place in Sednaya prison.
Torture was widely documented. At a mosque on the road to the prison, people were registering names and phone numbers in case imprisoned relatives were found.